Hello, my name is James Burling, the Director of Litigation at Pacific Legal Foundation, and I am disappointed that the Supreme Court today denied review in our Stewart and Jasper Delta smelt case. For too long, farmers, farm workers, and consumers in California and the rest of the country have suffered as the Fish and Wildlife Service has ordered water to be diverted from the farms of California into the Sacramento Delta and ultimately into the Pacific Ocean. This is being done, and it's made the drought that we've had in California much worse than it would be otherwise, so that hundreds of thousands of acres of farmland have laid fallow and farm workers have had terrible unemployment. And this has been done because of a biological opinion that is being used to justify efforts to try to help the Delta smelt. But the Ninth Circuit called this biological opinion a bit of a mess, and not just a little bit of a mess, but a 400-page big bit of a mess. Or the Department of Water Resources has called it largely unintelligible, confusing, and disorganized. And this is the document that's being used to justify destroying the farms in the Central Valley of California. Now, the Fish and Wildlife Service is saying that it should not consider the economic impact on the farmers, farm workers, and consumers in California when it comes up with its biological opinion. And that, we think, was just flat out wrong. The Congress amended the Endangered Species Act a number of years ago to confront what happened in a case dealing with the snail darter, the Tellico Dam case, where it said that species should be considered whatever the cost. Congress changed that, and economic costs, hardships to people in the Central Valley do need to be considered. And now that the court has denied review in this case, you can be assured that we are going to ask the court to take the same issue up again in another case, and another case, and as many cases as it takes until the court finally recognizes that it is time to be reasonable in its interpretation of the Endangered Species Act, so that we consider not only the species, but we also consider the human impact when we are trying to improve the habitat for endangered species. Thank you very much.